Some of us are drawn away from the city by a deep longing for wild places, a yearning to escape the concrete jungle and reconnect with something more primal. It's a call that resonates within our souls, beckoning us towards the tranquility and untamed beauty of nature. A need for peace, a sanctuary, away from the constant noise and demands of modern life. Perspective and adventure. The kind that challenges us, invigorates us, and reminds us of our own capabilities. My adventures always start with a desire to connect with nature, to immerse myself in its wonders and feel the earth beneath my feet. But bringing a bike along was always a hassle. It felt like a logistical puzzle, trying to fit a large, unwieldy object into a space it clearly wasn't designed for. Standard bikes are bulky and hard to transport, often requiring special racks or a significant amount of disassembly, making spontaneous exploration difficult. The freedom to simply pack up and go, to chase that fleeting moment of inspiration, was often hampered by the practicalities of bike transport. I wanted a bike that was rugged, capable of handling challenging terrain, and enduring the rigors of off-road adventures. Practical and easy to take anywhere, without the need for complicated setups or specialized equipment. Something that could fit in my car or a small locker. A bike that wouldn't dictate the terms of my adventure, but rather adapt to them. The search felt impossible. I needed mountain bike performance in a compact package. A machine that could conquer demanding trails while still being conveniently portable. Then I discovered folding mountain bikes tough enough for trails, but able to shrink down for travel. The idea was simple, a bike that could join me on any journey, ready at a moment's notice. Could a folding bike really deliver the ride I craved without compromise? Could it truly bridge the gap between portability and performance? The prospect was exciting, a new level of freedom, blending road trips with the joy of cycling. This was the companion I'd been searching for. A partner in adventure, ready to explore the world, one trail at a time. When the mountain bike men's folding bike finally arrived at my doorstep, after what felt like an eternity of waiting, it felt like unwrapping a new adventure, a gateway to unexplored trails and boundless possibilities. The anticipation was palpable as I tore into the packaging. The box was surprisingly compact, a testament to the bike's clever folding design. But as I started to reveal the bike inside, it felt solid and well built, a reassuring sign of quality craftsmanship. No toy or flimsy imitation, but a real machine, ready to tackle serious terrain. Unfolding it was surprisingly intuitive, almost like the bike was eager to stretch its legs. A few clicks of the secure locking mechanisms, and it transformed before my eyes. It went from a neat package into a full-sized, ready-to-ride, 26-inch mountain bike. The frame looked incredibly tough, capable of withstanding some serious punishment. The tires looked grippy and aggressive, promising excellent traction. And the dual suspension system promised a smooth and comfortable ride, even on the roughest trails. I was genuinely impressed by the overall quality. This wasn't just a folding bike designed for convenience, but a true mountain bike, engineered with a clever and innovative folding mechanism. It felt like the missing piece for my spontaneous adventures. Always ready to go, always waiting patiently in the back of my car, ready for action. No more wishing I'd brought a bike on those unexpected opportunities. Now, every stop, every scenic overlook, could potentially become a new trailhead, a new adventure waiting to unfold. The excitement was incredibly real. This bike represented a key to unlocking countless new experiences and unforgettable memories. It was so much more than just gear or equipment. It was freedom, conveniently packaged in a box. I couldn't wait to get out there and put it to the ultimate test on the trails. The adventure, the real adventure, was truly about to begin. A week later, the anticipation had been building, and I was eager to put the folding bike to the test. I took the folding bike, ready for its inaugural adventure. I embarked on a solo camping trip to a remote lakeshore, a place I'd heard whispered about in hushed tones by fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Packing was easy, a welcome change from past trips where space was always a premium. The bike fit neatly in the boot, nestled comfortably amongst my camping equipment, leaving room for all my gear. It was a Tetris masterclass in packing efficiency. At camp, unfolding the bike beside the water felt like a ritual, a moment of transformation as the compact package expanded into a capable machine. It was a signal that the adventure was truly starting, a promise of exploration and discovery hanging in the air. I set off along a rugged shoreline path, eager to see what lay beyond the familiar campsite. The trail weaved through trees and over roots, a natural obstacle course that tested my skills and the bike's capabilities. The dual suspension soaked up bumps, providing a surprisingly smooth ride, even on the most uneven terrain. And the grippy tires handled loose earth with ease, maintaining traction and control where other bikes might have faltered. The ride was smooth, confident, and fun, a testament to the bike's thoughtful design and engineering. It was far beyond what I expected from a folding bike, shattering my preconceived notions about their performance limitations. I explored hidden coves and new viewpoints, places I never would have reached without the bike's assistance. I ended up covering more ground than I ever could on foot, expanding my exploration radius significantly. As dusk fell, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, I returned to camp, satisfied and smiling, my legs tired, but my spirit soaring. The bike had transformed a simple camping trip into a real micro-adventure, injecting a dose of excitement and discovery into the familiar landscape. It wasn't just transport, it was so much more than that. It was my ticket to deeper exploration, unlocking hidden corners of the wilderness that would have remained inaccessible otherwise. Sitting by the fire, the crackling flames casting dancing shadows on the surrounding trees, I knew this bike had already proven its worth, exceeding my expectations and earning its place as an essential piece of my adventure kit. My connection to the wild felt stronger than ever, deepened by the freedom and accessibility the folding bike had provided. The real genius of this bike is its folding mechanism. Simple, fast, and practical. In under a minute, it folds down to a compact package you can carry with one hand. This opens up possibilities. City dwellers can store it in a cupboard, commuters can take it on trains, and adventurers can stash it in a car or camper. No more bulky racks or worrying about theft. Just fold it up and bring it inside. It's always ready for a spontaneous ride, whether you're in the city or deep in the wild. The folding design means you never have to leave your bike behind. It encourages exploration, turning every journey into a potential adventure. Security is built in. No more leaving your bike locked outside. This isn't just about convenience, it's about freedom and peace of mind. The folding bike becomes a trusted companion, always by your side. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to explore. This bike is designed for everyone, teens, adults, men, and women alike. Adjustable seat and handlebars make it comfortable for riders of all sizes and styles. The low standover height makes getting on and off easy for everyone. It's a unisex, practical design that welcomes all adventurers. The dual suspension system smooths out rough trails, reducing fatigue and boosting confidence. Beginners and experienced riders alike will appreciate the comfort and stability. It's perfect for family outings or solo adventures, adapting to your needs. A comfortable ride means you can go further and enjoy more. This bike grows with you, from gentle park rides to challenging forest trails. It's a truly versatile companion for any journey. The bike's components are built for real-world reliability and performance. Choose between V-brakes or disc brakes. Both offer strong stopping power for any terrain. The dual suspension, spring fork up front, shock absorber in the rear, keeps the ride smooth and controlled. Classic 26-inch wheels balance nimble handling with the ability to roll over obstacles. What sets this bike apart is its value, genuine off-road capability, and folding convenience at an accessible price. No need to sacrifice performance for portability or break the bank for adventure. It democratizes exploration, making quality gear available to more people. This bike has changed how I travel. Always ready, always reliable. You don't need the most expensive gear to connect with nature. For practicality, performance, and price, this folding mountain bike is a true catalyst for adventure.